In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze a longitudinal wave using Logger Pro. First thing I'm going to do is insert the video. So go to the Insert menu and choose Movie. Now you have to navigate to your movie. Mine is in my Dropbox. Longitudinal wave. You may have yours in the downloads. If you have it on Google Drive, you have to download it first. Select the movie. Let's see. There it is. Okay, I'm just going to reposition it and make it a little bigger. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to click on my toolbox. Click on the red dots to get the toolbox. First thing I need to do is going to set my origin. So I'm going to set the origin right here along the wave. It's a longitudinal wave, so it's a little different. Next thing I'm going to do is set my scale. So click on Set Scale, and now we're going to use the meter stick. So you want to click and drag from one end to the other. And there we go. And that is 1 meter. Okay, so we've got that. And now I'm going to scroll through the video and see if I can see a complete wave cycle. Now the longitudinal wave is compressions and rarefactions. So if we can see, there's a compression moving through. Watching this compression go through. Let's see if I can see another one before that one leaves the view. Okay, let's see. I'm going to go forward again. There we go. All right, so now you can see that we have one complete wave cycle because we have 2 compressions and we have a rarefaction right in the middle. So what I want to do is I want to measure the wavelength. The wavelength is going to be the distance between one compression to the other, or from one rarefaction to the other, but it's easier to measure the compressions. Okay, so click on Photo Distance. Now here's my first compression. I'm going to click and drag over to the second one. There we go. So the wavelength is 1.02 meters. Now, here's the tricky part. I need to figure out the period of the wave. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make note of the time. It's 0.666. Okay? And I'm going to scroll forward until I see another compression right at the edge over here. Okay, so here goes. I'm going to scroll forward for one complete wave cycle. Here it comes, here it comes, here comes my compression right through. And let's see if we can get it to go right to where the other one was. I think that's about right. Let's see, I'm going to go forward one more and see. Nope, the last frame was it. Okay, so by carefully fast forwarding one frame at a time, I can watch one complete wave cycle. Now I'm going to make note of this time, 1.033. So the difference between those two numbers gives me the time for one complete wave cycle, which is the period of the wave. And then the last thing I want to do is use the period to calculate the frequency. So the frequency of the wave is the inverse of the period. So if you take 1 over the period of your wave, then you have frequency. And that's it.